Hey guys, what's up? Back at Family Dollar. Check this out. 2 brand new cases. Let's see what's in here. I already went ahead and give them a little cut, but I guess I cut them up not good. Let's see. Haven't scored any supers for this year, so let's hope that maybe I can score one. Here's the Batmobile, so let's go ahead and start here. This video is going to be a little bit long because they're brand new cases, so I'm going to be separating some that I'm going to be taking, others that I'm going to be leaving behind. There's the Batmobile, the Nissan Patrol. It's a JDM. I got some people asking me for JDMs. I've been trading a lot of cars lately. If you're a local here in Orange County, let me know, man. If you want to trade some Hot Wheels, you see that I have some. Here's a Civic, another Porsche. The head gasket. Try to go pretty quick here. Ford Shelby right there. That was pretty cool. Coupe clip I already got. This is a maybe. Just have a maybe pile here. There's the bus. A Lamborghini. Firebird looks nice. Look at that. I know I've seen it. This is the same case. It looks like it's the same case as I've been finding here. This, I believe, should be, I think it's a case, but let's see, man. And if you haven't done so already, I did launch my online business selling rubber tires to do some wheel swapping. It's at vmodelcars.com. Head on over, check them out. Let me know what you guys think. Show some support. Let your friends know. I'm gonna be getting some more variations of wheels so you guys can check them out, but just be sure to check out the sizes, man. I had someone get some and order the wrong size. Some of the Patrol will leave behind. It's all good though. If it does happen, I'll help you guys out. There's the 81 Camaro. I'm not sure if I found it last time, but let's see. I think I already had a Honda Civic, so I'll put that one back. I don't need that many for trades, man. Here's the Batmobile, different Batmobile. Let's see if we can find another treasure hunt at least. Fastbed hauler, desert cars. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to throw them like that, huh? The Grand Sport Roadster. I don't want on this side. A Subaru, Sandburner. I'll take a Subaru. I took some of the same ones last time I was here, but like I said, I'm using them for trade. So if you see one that I take and you guys want to trade, you guys are around here, let me know, man. Doesn't look like it has the. Here's the Pagani, the Lotus. Doesn't look like it has anything in this case. That was another one where one of the weeks that I came, I didn't have a treasure hunt and a super or a treasure hunt either. I don't know. I don't see any treasure hunts in here. I'm not sure if they're doing it different now or what, because I thought there was a treasure hunt, at least a treasure hunt in every case. I might be mistaken though. I might just be wishful thinking there. But here's the Hot Wheel concept kit car. There's the van, the Audi. That's over here. Escort, Challenger. See, like I don't know, man. Maybe I'm missing the treasure hunt, but there's that case. Let me open up this case. There you go. Come on, give me something. Yeah, I don't see anything in here. Dude, that's crazy. I don't even see a treasure hunt. I'm gonna have to check out the website where I usually go to check out and see if maybe I'm looking for the wrong car here. I'm pretty sure I'm not. There it is. This is the treasure hunt, but it wasn't in the other case here. So there's a treasure hunt. Let's see, maybe there's a super in this one then. Yeah, I don't see it. Usually you can tell right off based off the paint. Let's see if I can flip it. I cut the bottom of the cases too. It won't take too long going through them, but there. Yeah, looks like there's no super in this one either. Well, I mean, at least I found a treasure hunt that I can use for trades. Or you know what? I'm going to be announcing a giveaway. How about I just give this one away? I'll make it part of the giveaway. The 2023 treasure hunt. And I believe it's a Miata treasure hunt. And then La Troca, which I'm going to be handing out or giving out once I get to 800 subscribers. So let your friends know, friends, family, subscribe. Once I get to 800, I'll be giving this guy away along with 2 other cars. I'll be uploading another video showing them to you guys, but this is gonna be it for this stop. It looks like it's the same as last time I was here, so I don't know. I might just put him back. I might just take this guy because I am gonna give it away. So I might just take this guy. I'm gonna call some friends, see if they want these or not, but that's gonna be it for this stop. Don't forget to head on over to vmodelcars.com to purchase your wheels and Hot Wheels display. Other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, and turn notifications on for future videos.